You never know what might inspire innovation.
And there's no limit to it.
But Hollywood has been known to spark the imagination.
It's actually inspired by the movie The Fantastic Voyage. The original movie was one of my dad's favorite movies, and he used to watch it as a kid, and is inspired by that idea. Obviously, that's more on a microscopic level, but the idea that the best place for a surgeon to operate is from inside the body, not from outside.
Adam Sachs had long been interested in robotic surgery when he entered MIT to study mechanical engineering and biomedical robotics. The first surgical robot, the Puma 560, was used in 1985, a technological breakthrough. But nearly 40 years later,
existing surgical robots, they really haven't changed that much since then. In many ways, brilliantly designed. They leveraged large industrial robots that existed at the time and had those hold minimally invasive surgical tools. But at the same time, it still replicates the fundamental challenge that the surgeon actually has to design the robot's motion for every procedure.
So Adam joined forces with his college roommate, Sami Khalifa, to create a new robot that could go deeper than ever before.
We realized pretty early on that if we create a single incision robot, that we can do everything through one small incision that's much smaller than any open surgical incision. And if we can do that, then we can put the entire robot past the abdominal wall into the abdomen.
The two roomies got to work, building their first robot in their apartment. 8 years ago, the birth of Vicarious Surgical.
Our robot has 9 degrees of freedom per arm, same as the human body, actually with redundant joints, can move the elbow up and down, for example, turn left and right. It can even flip all the way back and work in the incision site. It has a camera that pans, tilts, and rolls with the surgeon's head,
giving the surgeon the feeling of being inside the body.
It actually maps the abdomen in 3D. It measures force and position at every joint for the first time inside the abdominal cavity. And all of this is designed with the goal of enabling surgeons to actually be able to measure things automatically and to actually have the robot then start to be able to take over some of the simpler tasks.
Potentially opening the door to a new world inside the OR.
Only about 3% of addressable procedures are done with surgical robots today.
And in 2019, Vicarious Surgical was granted a so-called breakthrough device designation by the FDA.
Right, it's a program designed to expedite FDA review of medical devices specifically. The company does say they're still a number of years off, though, from having a commercial product.